still expect me to believe every single letter I receive. This is a sorry, what a shameful situation. Sending shivers up and down my spine. I like to read murder mysteries. I like to know the killer isn't me. Love and hate, what a beautiful combination. Sending shivers make me quiver, feel it slither up and down my spine. And the lovers that you sent for me didn't come with any satisfaction guarantee, so I'll return them to the sender, and the note attached will read: how I love to hate you. I love to hate you. I love to hate you. Satisfaction guarantee, so I return them to the sender, and the note attached will read: how I love to hate you.
I love to hate you.